to exit maintenance mode on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple steps you can try. First, try restarting your iPhone normally. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If your iPhone is still showing maintenance mode, try a force restart. For an iPhone 8 or newer, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If your iPhone still won't exit maintenance mode, connect it to a Mac or Windows PC and open Finder on Mac or the Apple Devices app on Windows. Put the iPhone into recovery mode, then check whether your computer gives you the option to update the iPhone. Choose Update first. This attempts to reinstall iOS without erasing your personal data. If the update doesn't work, you may need to use Restore, but keep in mind that restoring the iPhone can erase its data. And that's it. These steps should help you exit maintenance mode and get your iPhone working normally again. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.